अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम पीपीएससी ज़िलेदार कंप्लीट सोल्ड पेपर हेल्ड डाउन जो 29/6/2025 को हुआ था, इसके एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे। वेयर आर द हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ द इस्लामिक कॉन्फ्रेंस OIC लोकेटेड? जद्दा। वो इसम जो ना किसी से बना हो और ना ही इससे कोई कलमा बनाया जा सके, इसे क्या कहते हैं? इसमें जामिद। Polyethylene is formed when polymers of ethane combine together. The polyethylene is classified as which of the following type of plastic? थर्मोप्लास्टिक। मट्टी बर्बाद करना से मुराद क्या है? रुसवा करना। पाकिस्तान सक्सेसफुली टेस्टेड 5 न्यूक्लियर डिवाइसेस एट चागी ऑन 28 May 1998. Which sport has the highest rate of injuries? Gymnastics. Change the narration. She said, I can speak French fluently. She said that she could speak French fluently. Dash I separate chestnut tree the children play under. अगर किसी लफ्ज़ को हकीकी मायनों की बजाय माजी मायनों में इस तरह इस्तेमाल किया जाए कि हकीकी और मजाजी मायने में डैश के अलावा कोई और ताल्लुक़ पाया जाए तो इसे माजिज मर्सल कहते हैं। तशबिया। द डिस्टेंट प्राइस ऑफ द 20% इज़ लेस दैन रिटेल प्राइस. जेम्स परचेज द बुक at 30% discount price at special book sale. What percentage of retail price did James pay? 56%. The least value of 39/26 is 3/2. If n minus 2 is equal to 10, what is the sum of two possible values of n? 4. You may relay dash hour during our utmost on. Do you understand what I mean? Is what I mean understood by you? You will go or you will miss the train. It is which type of sentence? Complex. We knocked on the door but nobody answered, but is which part of speech? Conjunction. I know that you dash pass the exam with flying colors. Will. I don't mind dash if you are tried. Driving. Change voice. The doctor bandaged the arm of the injured man. The arm of the injured man was bandaged by the doctor. Name the person whose house became the center of preaching of Islam. Hazrat Arqam. Which one is odd in the sequence 19, 26, 33, 40, 47, 53? 53. Pakistan has no diplomatic relations with Israel. To pull socks up means to get ready. When President Mamnoon Hussain signed the FATA merge bill. 31 May 2018. My friend is a cuff potato. What does the idiom phrase cuff potato means? Lazy person. My books are dash the table on. The synonyms of insolvent is bankrupt. Mangla Dam was constructed on the which river? Jhelum. The antonym of benign is malevolent. When zakat became obligatory? 2AH. The Stonehenge is among the 7 wonders of the world situated in England. The second Constituent Assembly of Pakistan was formed in 1955. Who was the founder of Arya Samaj? Pandit Dayanand. The instrument used to measure blood pressure is insulin. Is produced by which organ of the body? Pancreas. एक था लड़का टूट बटूट किसकी नज़म है? सूफी गुलाम मुस्तफ़ा तबस्सुम. कौन सा शायर बच्चों की हैसियत से मशहूर है? इस्माइल मरेठी. To print and view a document, which option is used? Preview. In MS Word we can create another copy of documents by save as. Which city is called the gateway of Pakistan? Karachi. Which event occurred in Syria in December 2024? End of Basharul Assad rule and fall of his regime. Which key is used to minimize Excel worksheet? Ctrl plus F9. China in April 2025 announced how much percent of tariff of US goods in response to trade war escalation. 84%. Dal Lake is located in area of Srinagar. Petronas Tower is one of the tallest building of the world. It is situated in Kuala Lumpur. Who is the current permanent representative of Pakistan to United Nations? Asim Iftikhar Ahmed. Which bank controls all the function of the banking system in Pakistan? State Bank. NGO is non-profit work for social and political tasks. Which is the national game of Pakistan? Hockey. The book Modern Muslim India and the Birth of Pakistan 1858 to 1951 was written by S.M. Akram. Haripur was named after which Sikh ruler? Hari Singh Nalwa. Who recalled Muhammad bin Qasim from Singh? Khalifa Suleiman. What percent share of industry enterprise did Pakistan have at the time of partition? 3.7%. What was the purpose of the ISPAD 2025 conference in Pakistan? To promote physics education and research. Mount Tambora is located in which country? Indonesia. What is the area of the Sinai Peninsula, 61,000 square kilometer. Power Failure is the autobiography of which person? William D. Cohen. To return the remainder after the number is divided by a divisor in Excel, we use the function MOD. The 2008 Olympics were held in which city? Beijing. Which Indian leader first took the Kashmir issue to the UN Security Council? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who said that Kashmiris would prefer China over India? Farooq Abdullah. How long has the sun taken to use up half of its hydrogen fuel? 44.6 million years. Which of the following is used in fire extraction? Carbon dioxide. Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, sacrificed how many camels at the occasion of Hajj? 63 camels. Which percentage correctly represent Pakistan arms imports from China? 81%. What does the term crypto winter mean? A surge in cryptocurrency prices. Which Muslim was also a great surgeon? Al-Zarawi. Give the name who compiled first work of Hadith Safai Sadiqa. Hazrat Abdullah bin Amar Raziyallahu Ta'ala. Which country won the most medals in the Tokyo 2020 Olympics held in 2021? USA. NASA Blue Ghost Mission 2 is planned for which year? 2026. Myanmar is the new old name of Burma. Who is the current president of Syria? Ahmad al-Shara. When the partition of Bengal took place? 1905. पंजा मरियम क्या है? एक पौधा। वो हदीस जो साबी पर ख़त्म हो कौन सी है? हदीस माकूफ। Who started the Farazi movement? हाजी शरीयतुल्लाह। बुद्ध मत का तस्वर किसने दिया? गौतम बुद्ध। Which is the oldest and largest mouse in the world? Great Mouse of Makkah. Masjid Wazir Khan was made in which century? 7th century, 17th century. चीनी कोठी नावल किसने लिखा? सदीक आलम। मीर हसन की मसनूयात की तादाद कितनी है? 3. Which city is known as the bride of the sea? Venus. मिर्ज़ा अदीब का असल नाम क्या था? दिलावर अली. In which year West Pakistan became one unit? 1955. A refrigerator works on the principle of thermodynamics. What is the next number in the sequence 1, 1, 2, 6, 24, 120? In which battle Hazrat Jafar Tayyar was martyred? Mota. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.